Hello students, this is question number 1. A pentagonal pyramid side of base 40 mm and height 80 mm is resting on HP on its base with one of the base edge parallel to VP and away from VP. It is cut by an AIP bisecting the axis. The distance of the sectional plane from apex being 13 mm. If the apex portion is removed, draw the elevation and sectional plane of the pyramid and show the true shape of the section. So class, as per the given condition in the question, the side of the base is 40 and the height is 80 mm. Resting on HP, that means that the whole base of the pyramid is we will draw on HP. One of its base parallel to VP and away from the VP. That means suppose this is a reference line, so this is your base edge of the pyramid and it is away, so we will draw a pentagon like this. Okay, now after that there is a cutting plane line bisecting the axis in front view, and the distance of the sectional plane, that cutting plane line, is 13 mm away from the apex. So we need to draw elevation. Elevation means here class front view, and sectional plane of the pyramid means sectional top view and sectional side view of the pyramid, and true shape of the section. So we will start from pentagonal shape in top view. So first we will draw base edge of dimension 40 mm. After that class, from these two ends of the base we will draw an angle 54, major 54 from both sides, 54, 54. Okay, then join okay, so this is your apex, then consider apex point as center and this much as radius, then draw a circle. Then again measure compass equal to the dimension of the base of the pyramid 40 mm, then cut on the circumference, okay. Then join, then mark all these points, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then join all points, write in shade. Okay, so this is your required pentagonal shape in top view. Then extend all points vertically up. Then after that class we will measure a total length, axis height, it is 80 mm. Then mark 80 mm. Okay. Then join all points light in shade. Then give naming O dash, 1 dash, this is 2 dash, 5 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash. Okay. After that class we need to draw a cutting plane line, and the cutting plane line condition are given to you that it is bisecting the axis height. So this is the midpoint of the axis height, and it is away from the apex 13 mm. So we will draw first take we will first mark compass of 13 mm, then draw an arc of radius 13 mm from the apex in front view. Okay, so now we will draw a cutting plane line which will be tangent to this arc and passing from midpoint of the axis height of the then draw okay, then give name, mark cutting plane line, and this distance is 13 mm. Okay, so this is your required cutting plane line. Now join the retaining part in dark shade this part we are removing, and this part the remaining part, so it is in dark. Now where this cutting plane line is bisecting the slant edge of the front view, we will mark all these points. So this point is lying on 1, so this is P1 dash. This point is lying on 2, P2 dash. This point is lying on 5, P5 dash. And this point is lying on base of the pentagonal, so that's why we will give different naming, A dash and B dash. A dash between 2 and 3, B dash between 4 and 5. Now extend A dash and B dash vertically downward. So this is A, this is B. Similarly, extend 2 and similarly extend 1. So this is P1, this is P2. Now see, to mark P5 dash, we have to draw a parallel line from this here up to the true shape of the slant height. But here O4 and O1, O4 and O1 is not your true length of the slant height. To finding out the true length of the slant height, we have to rotate O4 and make it parallel with, okay. Now extend this point vertically up. Now join this point with apex. This is your required true length of the pentagonal pyramid. Now again draw a horizontal line from P5 dash up to the true length of the pyramid. Now measure this dimension over compass and cut from O over the projection of O5. This point is your P5. Now join all points in top view AB. Now draw hatching line inside this area. This is your required sectional top view. Now dark retaining part. Okay. Now you can erase this circular because we don't require it. Okay. So this is your sectional top view, front view. Now we need to draw sectional side view. Draw a vertical line . Okay. Now extend total height . Now extend all points of the top view towards right . The logic behind we are to drawing this left hand side view is that because the elevation of the sectional line is like this and we are seeing this object from this side. Okay, when we draw, suppose if students are going to draw a right hand side view in this case, then we are not able to see this sectional area. So right hand side view in that case becomes wrong. Okay, so we have to draw only left hand side view is applicable in that case, because from left hand side only we are able to see a sectional area, this sectional area. Now extend all points towards right . No need to . Now draw arc. Okay, so now see this projection is the projection of axis. So now we will extend this point. This point is your O dash. Now class, see, this is the projection of 5 dash. Now this is the projection of B double dash. Now this is the projection of 1 double dash. This is the projection of O, and this is the projection of 2, 3 and A. So 2, 3 and A all are collinear, 2, 3 and A. Now join all point with apex. Light and shade. Okay. Now after that we will extend all points of front view P1, P2, P5 towards right. Light and shade. Okay. Now class, see P1. So this is the projection of P1, and here P1. So this point is your P1 double dash. Now P2. So this is the projection of P2. P2 double dash. P5. This is the projection of P5. P5 double dash. Now B dash here and A dash is here. Now join all points B dash, B double dash, P double dash, then P1, then P2, then A. So this is your sectional side view. Okay. Then dark the retaining part. Okay. So this is your sectional side view. Now in the last we have to draw a true shape of the section, and for true shape of the section the observed position is here. So we have to draw this cutting plane line parallel with reference line here. Then draw cutting plane line parallel with reference line. Then mark all points over the reference cutting plane line. Suppose this point is P1 dash. Then measure between P2 and 1 and mark over the line, then P2 and P5, then A and 5. Then give naming. This is P2 dash, this is P5 dash, this is A dash and B dash. Okay. Now extend all points vertically downward. Extend all points vertical downward. And all points of top view towards left. First start with B, light and shade, then P5, then P1, then P2, then A. So this is B and this point is your B. P5, this point is your P5. P1, this point is your P1. P2, this point is your P2. A, and this point is your A. Now join all points dark. This is your required true shape of section. True shape of section. This is sectional top view. This is sectional left hand side view. This is front view. Now give dimension. Total height, $80. Total base edge, $40. So class, this is your true length. So class, this is your required solution of question number 1. Hope you understood this. If any doubt, ask me. Okay, good luck.